Hey guys, Corey Arnold out here at Toyota Beasley. Boy, I tell you, I am smiling from ear to ear. I am excited because guess what we just did? We just sold our first battery electric vehicle, our first BZ, and get this now, on the same day we're selling both of them. All right, so this one here is sold. This is the XLE model in the white, no two-tone. And then do me a favor, Jay, pan around to the red one. And the red limited model is being sold right now as well. So Toyota of Easley is officially in the battery electric vehicle market. Outstanding. Congratulations. All right, guys, you have got to stop being nervous about battery electric vehicles. And I'll tell you why it's fantastic. Because of Toyota's reputation. Who is the largest automotive manufacturer in the world? Toyota. So you've got that behind you. Toyota's brand recognition, Toyota's reputation for quality, dependability, and reliability is what's fueling these BZs. And I'm telling you now, that's just the beginning. We're going to sell a bunch of them. And here's what you've got. 8 years, 100,000 miles battery replacement. Did you hear me? 8 years, 100,000 miles total battery replacement on this vehicle. Nothing for you to worry about because the average trading cycle in this country is a lot less than 8 years. So it will be the second, the third, or the fourth owner who worries about the 100,000 miles on this vehicle. Hey, congratulations again. We just sold our first limited and our first XLE BZ at Toyota Beasley right now. Man, fantastic. We've been waiting for it to go, and it's gone now. You come see us at Toyota Beasley. Guess what we'll do? We'll get you the one that you're looking for. See you soon.